Welcome to our channel, Kiki and Tofu Vlogs. Looks like it's raining again. Such a cozy morning.
Perfect way to start the day.
Nothing like a warm drink on a rainy morning. Oops, a little extra flour never hurt anyone. Golden syrup drips slowly, making the morning feel even cozier. This is amazing!
Oops, a little
Told
syrup
you my
never hurt
pancakes are the
anyone.
best. Tofu, you're such a goof. Gotcha.
Hey, that's not fair.
I love you, Kiki. I love you too.
Laughter fills the cozy home, while the rain continues its gentle song outside.
This is going to be the best fort ever. I call the corner near the window.
They'll never see me here.
I see you, Tofu. These little guys need the perfect spot. Don't forget the window corner. No way you're winning this round.
Just you wait.
Yes, I won. Big number.
No way.
No way.
Rematch.
Not again.
Here, this will make it even cozier.
Thanks. Perfect for this rainy day. This is exactly how rainy days should feel.
Couldn't agree more.
Look, a rainbow after the rain. Look at it, Tofu. Isn't it beautiful?
Absolutely. Nature's perfect touch.
I love how peaceful it feels in here.
Yeah, just us in the quiet after the rain.
We're ready for a pretend rain parade.
Don't forget to splash in the puddles.
Splash! This is amazing! Best rainy day ever! Watch out for the big splash!
I'm ready.
You're impossible!
I'm fun, right?
Almost done. Zzz. Time to get comfy for the night. I love how calm it feels tonight.
Perfect ending to a rainy day.
And they lived happily ever after.
I love this part.
Good night, Tofu.
Good night, Kiki.
I could stay like this forever.
Me too.
Like and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Good night.
Good night, Kiki.